glasses all fogged up?
What the?
Wow. These guys really are nerdy.
Okay, I got you in a second. I can't see.
While Larry leaves to grab tools, Kyle breaks his box loose and helps with Larry's block of ice, which is much further behind. I got an stroke. Looks like Larry is even more aggressive than my hunter.
What a bastard. When Harry stole Kyle's freeze ray, I thought that was the most awesome move ever. I wish I had thought of it first.
I want to let you know right now that I'm going to be definitely a game player, competitive, and an opportunist. I didn't feel bad about taking Kyle's freeze ray. It's just snooze and lose. I know I got my weapon. I don't know what to do.